Alright guys, so I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to track your refund process on 1688 app. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get it done. First thing first, you have to go to your profile, click on here to access your profile on 1688 profile. Then when you get to your 1688 profile, to open up this way, so the next step you have to take is to click on here. Alright, so I have a lot of products right here for that have processed the refund in the past. So the next thing you have to do is to click on here now. I'm going to use this product as an example so you guys can see if your refund is still under process. So I have to click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it opens up in a new page entirely. So this is to tell you that then you'll be able to see the stages at your refund process. Right here, this is the refund information right here, that if the seller failed to comply within 24 hours, the refund will be automatically done by the system. So these are refund details at the bottom right here. So for you to know if your refund has been successfully approved, so all you have to do is to check back on the refund process, and then by the time your refund has been successfully approved, this button will no longer be here again, which simply means that your refund has been successfully processed and your money has been returned back to your Alipay account from 1688. So this is how you track your refund request on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Each time I post content about China importation without using agent, you get notified. And lastly, if you would like to join my paid training on China importation without using agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.